This is the exercise that we have to do, exercise 1.3, and it's about multiplication now. So there are only a few questions to be done from here. So the first thing you want to know is from this exercise, the questions that we want to do. So first of all, mark that. We are going to do question number 1, question number 2, question number 5. These are the questions that we have to do.
Can you repeat?
Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 5.
हम बाकी सारे क्रॉस.
Yes, rest all questions are crossed. So we are doing just 3 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 5.
Ma'am, there is no question number 5 in my book.
Exercise 1.3, not 1.2. It's page 21. It's page number 21 of the book.
मैम
Yes?
मैम अगर आज सारा ना हो पाए मैम तो जितना होगा उतना ही टेस्ट में आएगा.
Yes.
ओके.
I hope all of you have marked this.
Yes ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita. So now let's go to the rules of multiplication so that we can start with this work. Because someone's mic is on. So these were the rules that we had written about multiplication of integers. So what we want to do is we want to multiply the numbers. So whenever you have a question in which there is only multiplication, these rules are for the questions where you have only multiplication. Question में क्या होगा? Question has only multiplication. So you want to multiply the numbers. Numbers means you will ignore the signs when you multiply. After that, we will look at the signs. So I'll just take one example side by side. Let's take this example. This is a part of your first question. So I've got these numbers, and what they've done is they've used brackets also. They have put all the numbers in brackets.
मैम की ब्रैकेट्स हमने भी लिखने हैं.
बेटा नहीं समझाने के लिए है. I'm just trying to explain here, and once it's clear, then we'll start with the exercise. All right. So just watch what we want to do here. So this is a question in which we only have multiplication. There may be one multiplication. There could be more multiplications. So right now we have 2 multiply signs in the question. So what we want to do is we first of all want to multiply the numbers. In the question, multiply all the numbers that you can see. So the numbers that you can see are 12, 11, and 10. So in your working column, multiply these. So when you multiply 12 with 11, you get 132. When you multiply 132 with 10, what do you get? 1320. So this is the first step. When you multiply the numbers, this is what you get. Is it clear? The first step is clear to everyone?
Excuse me मैम.
Yes, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इसमें माइनस का साइन था. हमने माइनस का साइन क्यों डाला? माइनस का साइन तो था
Achyut,
भी
read.
बिगर.
Achyut, read the first step. What's the first step? Can you read it out loud?
Multiply the numbers.
So numbers means we are just looking at the numbers, not the signs.
मैम
Yes, Prashant?
मैम जो आपने अभी स्टेप किया मैम वो सारा रिपीट कर दो एक बारी.
Because this is the first step we are on. I have taken an example to explain the rules of multiplication. So these rules will be followed when your question has only multiplication. You need to ensure कि आपके question में सिर्फ multiplication हो, हम तब ये rules apply करेंगे. Fine? And what do I mean that the question is only multiplication? It means there could be just one multiplication. Let's say you have this question. So in this one, there is only one multiply sign. In this example, the one I'm solving right now, I've got two multiplications. Over here, I've got two multiply signs, right? So I only have multiplication to be done. Kuch addition nahi hai, subtraction nahi hai, division nahi hai. So I'm going to follow this when I have to multiply. So the first step is to multiply my numbers, whichever numbers you can see. And when I say numbers, you will be ignoring the signs. You don't have to look at the signs. You have to only look at the numbers. So just take your numbers. If I just highlight these. So I've got 12, I've got 11, and I've got 10. And in my working column, I have multiplied these. This is the first step. I hope it's clear to everyone. And this is the answer that I get after doing my step 1. I have multiplied my numbers. So this is step 1. After I multiply my numbers, this is what I get. Just a minute. All right. So this is step number 1. I have multiplied my numbers. I get 1320. After this, now I go to the second step. The second step tells me to, the second step tells me to cancel negative signs in pairs. Pairs means group of two. Like you have a pair of shoes, a pair of socks, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cancel one minus sign with another minus sign. So this minus sign over here, the one which is with 12, this gets cancelled with this one. So this is one pair. Two minus signs will make one pair. If you want, you can write down two minus signs make one pair. So one minus gets with one minus. Cancel over here. Yes, Kartavya, you raise your hand.
मैम इसका मैम आंसर मैम नेगेटिव में आएगा.
Yes.
मैम लेकिन अगर मैम इसमें दोनों से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है, इसमें सिर्फ एक ही नंबर माइनस में हो तो फिर भी होएगा.
I'm sorry, you asked if the answer is negative here. No, the better answer will be positive here. Just watch what I'm going to show, then you can ask. Just let me finish all the steps.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
You have to only pay attention so that we can start with exercise after this. You should know how to use
मैम मेरी
this.
बार-बार मीटिंग, मैम मेरी बार-बार Zoom मीटिंग बंद हो रही है, अभी खुल रही है.
Beta, maybe it's some network problem. I'm not sure. Achyut, you're asking something.
मैम मैंने पूछना था मैम, जैसे वहां तो 2 माइनस के साइंस थे तो वो तो वन पेयर बन गया. मैम अगर 3 माइनस के साइंस होंगे फिर हम उसको कैसे करेंगे?
वो माइनस बच जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
एक माइनस बच जाएगा, एक पेयर बन जाएगा, पेयर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक रह जाएगा अकेला. This is what the third step is. So if the first step is multiply your numbers, I multiplied 12, 11 and 10. The answer came out to be 1320. After that, I go to the second step where I have to cancel negative signs in pairs. So I had two minus signs. They make one pair. So these two cancel out each other. And after that, I go to the third step. In the third step, I have been told if all minus signs are cancelled, if all minus signs are cancelled, then the answer is positive. If any minus sign is left, then the answer is negative. Now you tell me, are all signs cancelled? All minus signs are cancelled?
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer will be positive. You can just write plus sign, or you can just simply leave it as 1320, or you can put a plus sign. It's optional. Putting the plus sign is optional. So if there was a minus sign left, then the answer would be negative. Now I will write the same example in a different way. Just observe. We've
Excuse
got
me,
minus 12. Yes, beta?
ma'am, if there is a plus sign, then we will not cancel it.
No, only negatives are to be cancelled. Plus sign doesn't give us any problem. The problem is with the negative signs.
Ma'am, it is very easy.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so this is another question. I've just done something. I've put one more minus sign. So the first step will be to multiply the number. So let's take these numbers and multiply. So multiply 12 with 11, I get 132. Then I multiply it with 10, I get 1320. This is the first step. So I get 1320. Now the next step is to cancel the minus signs.
मैम ये वही चीज है मैम जो मैं पूछ रहा था.
Right? Now see, this is one pair. This is one pair of minus signs and I've cancelled out. But I am left with one minus sign. One minus sign is left, so my answer will be minus. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start
Yes.
with the exercise. We've got exercise 1.3 on page number 21. We are going to do question number 1, A part. We've got 3 multiplied with minus 1. So let's multiply the numbers. 3 into 1. 3. Are minus signs getting cancelled?
No.
So we are left with this minus sign. We are left with this minus sign. This will be written with the answer. Because one negative sign is left, I'm going to use it with my answer. Answer will be minus 3. Next we have minus 1 multiplied by 225. So multiply the numbers. And what do you think about the sign?
Negative sign.
Yes, that's right. Good, Abhijit. Okay. Now, let's multiply 21 with 30 in the working column. So I get 630. Now let's think about the signs. Yes, Kartavya?
Positive sign.
Yes. Minus minus
Ma'am?
cancelled. My answer is plus 630, or you can simply write 630. Both are same. Now we have this. I think this one can be done very easily. Multiply 316 with 1. 316, and then work with your negative signs.
Positive sign.
Yes, the answer will
Positive
be
sign.
positive. Okay, what about this one? We have 0 somewhere here. What will be the answer?
0.
Yes, that's right, Simrit, very good. Whenever you have a multiplication with 0, जितने मर्जी numbers हो, the answer will be 0. This is the example that I have taken. So multiply 12 with 11 and then with 10. So this will give me 1320. And then we work with the minus signs. All minus signs are
Positive sign.
positive sign. Then we have 9 multiplied with minus 3 multiplied with minus 6. So multiply 9 and 3, this is 27, then multiply it with 6, obtain the answer, 162. Thank you, Bhavya.
Welcome, ma'am.
So the answer is 162 here when you multiply. And then you work with your minus signs. This cancels this one. Answer is plus, positive answer. Then we have h part. We have minus 18 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 4. Let's multiply our numbers. 18 multiplied by 5. This will be 90, and then multiply it with 4. This will be 360. So the answer for the first step is 360. Now let's work with the minus sign. These get cancelled. This is left.
Negative sign.
The answer will be negative.
That's right. That's right. Let's do I part. And it's not necessary to show the multiplication. If you want, you can even do it orally, like for here. You've got very small numbers. You can just multiply in your mind. 4 3s are 12, into 2 is 24. 24 into 1 will be 24. Now let's cancel the minus signs. This cancels with this one. One minus sign is left. Negative answer. So multiply the numbers. What will be the product? 36, that's right. And now let's go and work with the
Positive
negative
sign.
signs. This minus will
Positive
get cancelled with this minus sign. And this minus gets cancelled with this minus sign. All minus signs are cancelled.
Positive.
So my answer is positive. You can write the plus sign, or you can simply write 36.
आप कहाँ से करने से कम हो उस दिन मेरी कल मेरी क्लास में फोन करी जब वीडियो कॉल क्लास खत्म हो गई थी क्लास कटी है
I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is anyone writing down? Do I need to wait?
No, ma'am.
मैम yes मैम 2 minutes
Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Achyut, which part?
मैम H
Ma'am, we have to do this by LHS and RHS.
That's right. You remember? We did yesterday also.
मैम हमने इनको बस सिंपली सॉल्व कर देना है.
I'll just show you how you have to do it. I'm just writing down the question here.
मैम कर लो
This is question number 2 that we have. You have to verify that whatever is written on this side, 18 multiplied by, in the bracket, we have 7 plus minus 3. The answer for this side is equal to the answer on the other side. On other side, I've got 1 multiplication. and I've got another multiplication. There are two multiplications. So what I will do is I will solve the two sides separately. I will solve this yellow highlighted part on one side and this green part on the other side, and I will write them as left hand side and right hand side. And what I want to see is whether or not the answer is equal. Now you want to know, whenever they say verify that we have equal answer, you will get equal answer. This is something you will get. You will be able to check it at the end. If you don't get what's given, अगर यहाँ पे equal लिखा है, आपके answers match नहीं हो रहे, that means you have made a mistake. All right? This is something very important. If the question says that it's equal, your answers will be equal. If they say it's not equal, then your answers will be not equal. So right now they're saying that the two answers will be equal. So we are going to work with the two sides separately. And if you remember, we are going to follow the rules of BODMAS. The first step will be to solve the brackets. Then we work with the whatever is left. So first step will be to solve the brackets. So I'm starting with this yellow part. I've got this bracket here. In the bracket, I've got addition. Now remember the rules. Don't mix up the rules of addition with multiplication. I'm going to open the bracket. Now plus and minus. It becomes minus 3.
Minus.
What will be the next step? Answer of the bracket. Four. 7 minus 3, 4. And now you just have to multiply 18 into 4.
$62.
72. So this is my left hand side. Now let's go to the right hand side. So I've got 18 multiplied with 7 in one bracket plus 18 multiplied with minus 3 in the second bracket. Let's solve the brackets. First bracket से आपको क्या मिलेगा?
$126.
So this gives me 126. Okay. What will you get from the second bracket?
Minus 54.
That's right, I'll get minus 54. I've multiplied 18 with 3. That gives me 54. And this negative sign, the negative sign which is left, this negative sign will be written with the answer. Now let's solve this. 126, open the brackets. Plus sign and minus sign.
72.
This becomes minus 54. And from here, the answer is 72. Now you can see the answer of left hand side and right hand side is equal. Let's do the second part. Now there are so many minus signs here. So just be a little careful. So I'm going inside the bracket right now. I'm going to work with my bracket here. So inside my bracket, I've got this. I have to work with this. So let's just open the brackets. This gets minus 4. Plus minus becomes minus 6. And what will be the answer for this bracket?
-10.
That's right.
Minus
The answer
10.
will be -10. Now I've got multiplication. At this step, I've got
210.
multiplication. This will be 210 with plus sign, because this minus will cancel this minus sign. Now let us see if we get the same answer from here. From the first bracket, minus and minus cancelled, I get 84 plus 84 if you want to write. And then from the second bracket, this minus cancels this minus, I get 126. And in between, I've got plus sign. This gives me 210 again. So both answers are equal.
Distributive property.
That's very good, Bhavya.
Ma'am, please wait.
Done, ma'am.
All right. I hope you remember last year we did questions based on this, on distributive property. So this is what they have done right now. Now what it means, let's just go over what distributive property means. There were two numbers in the bracket. So there is, let's say 5 here and there is 2 here. You have to add these two or you have to subtract these two. It could be plus or minus in the bracket. But outside the bracket, you have multiplication with the number. Right? So what we can do is, we can take this multiplication and distribute it over the bracket. So what I will do, I'll multiply 7 with 5, first multiplication. This is one multiplication. And then I'll multiply 7 with 2. And because it was plus sign here, I can put plus sign here. This is the same. And what do you think I will do here? I will multiply 7 with 5, the first multiplication, 7 with 5, and then I will multiply the same number with the second value, 7 multiplied by 2, and now I have minus, I will put minus sign between. And if, no beta, you don't have to write this, you only have to write what I have written here, the property line, this, the note, the green one, not anything else. This is only to understand. Now just observe over here. आपके पास bracket में दो numbers add हो रहे थे. Yes? And outside you have multiplication. So what we have done is, पहले इसको इनके साथ multiply किया है. Check. Minus 21 with minus 4 multiplied. And then what they have done, they have taken this number with minus 6. This is distributive property. जो बाहर multiplication है, वो 1 by 1 अंदर वाले दोनों numbers के साथ होगी. So बाहर आपके पास minus.
Property of addition है कि subtraction है?
Beta, distributive property works on both the numbers. Both. If you can use distributive property in plus also. I've used distributive property for plus. I've used distributive property for minus. दोनों के लिए work करती है.
Okay.
Fine. आपने बस ये नेम याद रखना है, distributive property. We'll be using this to solve questions further. I hope it's clear to everyone. Shall we go on to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
मैम पर हमने क्वेश्चन में तो ऐसे किया नहीं है.
क्वेश्चन में किया नहीं है, मैं बता रही हूँ आपको कि ये क्या कर क्या रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ये हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन है.
सारा बता दो, एक प्रॉब्लम समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Beta, we will be using these in the questions. Just remember the distributive property. Just remember this. You will do questions in the next one. Fifth question जो करना है, उसमें हम ये यूज करेंगे, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
मैम जो आपने इसके साथ एग्जांपल कराई थी,
यस बेटा.
मैम पहले 5+2 लिखा था मैम, बाद में 5 - 2 कैसे?
वो मैंने सेपरेट ली थी. एक एग्जाम्पल ये ली थी, एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने ये ली थी. चाहे अंदर प्लस हो चाहे अंदर माइनस हो, हम ये काम कर सकते हैं. तो अगर प्लस होगा तो आपके सामने प्लस नजर आएगा, अगर माइनस होगा तो आगे आपको माइनस नजर आएगा. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस.
ओके मैम.
So after this, you want to write down that question number 3, question number 4. These are not in syllabus. And we are starting with question number 5. So you have to use suitable properties. I'll just show you the question here. They are saying over here. So the question says, find the product using suitable properties. So based on our question, we will use the properties. I will just help you do it side by side. Let's start with the first one. So this is what I have. I've got multiplication and plus, right?
मैम -48 कॉमन लेना है.
That's right. Now, first thing we want to observe, everyone needs to be very careful for this one. Please make sure your mics are muted. Now, the first thing we want to observe here is, हमारी question में multiplication भी है और addition भी है. तो इसको आप सिर्फ प्लस वाले रूल्स के साथ नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज ये अगर सिर्फ प्लस 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 होता, हम एक्सरसाइज 1.1 की तरह सॉल्व करते, जहां पे हम प्लस माइनस के रूल्स अप्लाई करते हैं. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन 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 होती तो अभी क्वेश्चन 1 किया वो वाले रूल्स फॉलो करते. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे मिक्स्ड चीजें हो रही हैं, कुछ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है और कुछ प्लस हो रहा है. एंड इफ यू नो द रूल्स ऑफ such kind of questions जहां पे multiple operations हो, हम ये follow करते हैं. Do you remember?
Ma'am, meaning of this?
This is BODMAS. You want to first solve with brackets. Then this stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiply. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction.
480.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
480.
So if I look at my question, let's ignore these two. Let's ignore these two.
तो क्या बोला?
हम ये रूल फॉलो करेंगे बेटा, जब भी आपके पास क्वेश्चन में प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड वाली वैल्यूज हो, आपके पास कुछ प्लस भी हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई भी हो रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो रही है, डिवीजन भी हो रही है, हो सकता है सब कुछ हो सकता है इनमें से कुछ चीजें हो, जरूरी नहीं है सब कुछ होगा. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे ऑपरेशंस होंगे. यहाँ पे हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन है और एडिशन है. इस क्वेश्चन में इस पार्ट में आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन नजर आ रही है और आपको एडिशन नजर आ रही है. तो इन दोनों में से आपको पहले क्या करना है, यहां से पता चलेगा. ये ऑर्डर लिखा हुआ है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन में से पहले क्या लिखा हुआ है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
यस मैम.
सो हमें पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी है. दिस इज व्हाट दिस रूल्स टेल यू. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप अपने क्वेश्चन में चेक करते हो, जो पहली मल्टीप्लिकेशन है उसमें आपके पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन है विद -48, जो सेकंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन है उसमें भी क्या है,
-48।
तो दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेम नंबर से हो रही हैं। हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सेपरेट कर देंगे। वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट सेपरेटली। -48 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमने सेपरेट कर ली। थिंक ऑफ इट के मैंने फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट में से इसको निकाल लिया बाहर और सेकंड प्रोडक्ट में से भी निकाल लिया। सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी लेफ्ट विद समथिंग। So this 26 is left and this -36 is left.
मैम
-6
मैम?
है, उनको 1 नहीं काउंट करेंगे?
Yes,
मैम
yes.
मैम ये जो 48 है मैम वो सबसे पहले आ गया और मैम आप ब्रैकेट लग गया 26 प्लस -36। तो मैम ये 26 तो बाहर है तो मैम ये अंदर आ गया है।
There was no bracket. मैंने खुद लगाई है bracket. I'll just write one more example. Just consider this. Don't write down. Just watch. Just watch. Achyut, you need to watch too. Suppose you have 100. Let's take a bigger number. Suppose you have 625 multiplied by 95 and you have 625 multiplied by 5 and you have to add these two. Suppose आपको 625 को 95 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपको 625 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है।
मैम हम
फिर आपको
95 और 5 को प्लस कर देंगे मैम, वो 100 बन जाएगा और 625 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे।
That's what I'm saying. Rather than multiplying with 625 two times, दो बार करने की बजाय मैं क्या करूंगी, I will convert it into one multiplication and जिन नंबर्स के साथ मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करना था मैं उनको कंबाइन कर लूंगी। So एक बार 95 के साथ करना था और एक बार 5 के साथ करना था, इनको कंबाइन कर लो। This is what I